Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we share a Google Sheets document into our team to work together. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Sheets, and now we just need to choose which documents that we want to share into our team. For example, I want to send this documents. So first thing we have to do is just go click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click share, or you can also click manage access. Okay, let's do with the share. Okay, so first click the share, and after that you just need to directly type the email of your friends or your team, or you can just go by click these three small dots too, and after that go click manage access. And now you can choose from this restricted. You need to change this restricted into anyone with a link. And now since you want to share these documents into the team, you want them to have an access for editing the documents too, so that you and your team will be able to work together, right? So you just need to go click a editor. Means that anyone with the link who has the link will be able to edit these documents. You can now work together. Okay, so you just need to click a test to copy the link, and now you can send the link into your team, so that after that your team will be having access to edit and do the work on the same documents with you. That's all the way how to share the documents to your team. So if you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.